Did you know lightning can strike you indoors through your plumbing? When lightning hits a building, it often follows metal pipes to travel inside. If you're showering, washing dishes, or even touching a faucet during a storm, you could be at risk of a fatal electric shock. Water and metal are excellent conductors, making your bathroom or kitchen dangerous places to be during a thunderstorm. Always avoid using water or plumbing until the storm passes. Stay safe, and if you found this fact surprising, like the video and subscribe for more eye-opening content.